Welcome to Nutrition Station, your path to vibrant health and wellness. This video is about health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar is high in acetic acid. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, contains acetic acid, which has several health benefits including antimicrobial properties. May help kill harmful bacteria. The acidic nature of ACV can help kill harmful bacteria, making it useful for cleaning and disinfecting blood sugar control. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for managing diabetes weight management. Some studies suggest that ACV can help with weight loss by promoting satiety and reducing calorie intake. Probiotics for gut health. The mother in ACV contains beneficial bacteria that can support a healthy gut microbiome. Other potential benefits. There is anecdotal evidence that ACV may aid in relieving heartburn, lowering cholesterol, and reducing varicose veins. Although more research is needed to confirm these effects, apple cider vinegar, ACV, can help manage diabetes through several mechanisms. Improved glycemic control. ACV helps reduce postprandial, after-meal, blood glucose levels by delaying gastric emptying, which slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can lead to better overall glycemic control. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. ACV can improve insulin sensitivity, making cells more responsive to insulin. This can help lower blood glucose levels and reduce insulin resistance, a common issue in type 2 diabetes inhibition of carbohydrate digestion. The acetic acid in ACV can inhibit enzymes like A-amylase, which are responsible for breaking down carbohydrates into sugars. This reduces the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream after a meal. Increased cellular glucose utilization. ACV may enhance the utilization of glucose by cells, thereby lowering blood glucose levels. It also promotes lipolysis, which helps in the breakdown of fats for energy, potentially aiding in weight management, reduced hyperinsulinemia. Regular consumption of ACV can help lower insulin levels in the blood, reducing hyperinsulinemia. Excess levels of insulin, which is beneficial for people with insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. These combined effects make ACV a supportive dietary addition for managing diabetes, although it should not replace medical treatments and should be used under professional guidance. How to use apple cider vinegar. As a drink. Mix 1–2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, ACV, in a glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help with digestion and blood sugar control. In salad dressings, use ACV as a tangy ingredient in homemade salad dressings. Combine it with olive oil, honey, and mustard for a simple vinaigrette. For pickling, ACV can be used as a pickling agent for vegetables, adding a unique flavor while preserving them. Use it empty stomach or before meal for best results. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.